Today, we're showing you how to install the VIG Patio Sliding Door Handle set. You'll need a drill or a Phillips screwdriver. This handle set replaces existing handles with a 100 mm screw hole spacing. Make sure to check this measurement before starting. Remove both screws to detach the old handle and mortise lock. Step 1. Slide the new lock into the door cavity. Tighten the two screws on the locking mechanism. And just make sure the locking lever works before you secure the handles into place. We're done. Give the door an open and close test to make sure everything works. More DIY guides, visit us at www.vighardware.com.